Hello, I'm Kozue. I'm going to be doing my nails with regular polish. I'm going to do the same art on both hands. I cut my nails shorter than usual. Short nails. The round form is cute. Let's get started. I applied Nail Envy as a base coat. Spiritual polish. It's a little pearly and such a cute color. I love it. My right thumbnail broke the other day. The other fingers bent severely the other day. That's why I cut nails short. It looks so patchy, this pink polish, but I only apply this once on my thumb. This one contains fiber in it. It was marked down in an outlet mall. It's apricot jam. Painting the whole little fingernail. Wow, the nail looks so small. I'm gonna paint spiritual once on the ring finger. I'm applying the fiber polish to the middle finger. Spiritual on the index finger. After one coat, I did a bad job on cutting the nails. They're not the same length. The polish on the thumb is dry now. It's so patchy. I'll apply this, making a straight horizontal line. It's a blanket nail design, so it doesn't have to be super straight. I'm gonna paint the fiber polish again on the pinky. Making a straight line on the ring finger with the fiber polish. I couldn't paint the sides well because the brush isn't small enough. I put a little fiber polish on the silicone mat. A toothpick worked well. Just touching a bit. The fiber polish on the middle finger. Index finger, spiritual second time. Let it dry for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna clean it with sticky tape after it is dry. I'm gonna put washi tape on the thumb. I have to dry the polish well, otherwise, the washi tape will take the polish off. To weaken the adhesive strength of washi tape, I put it on my skin and peeled it off about 3 times. I should have used washi tape when I painted the fiber polish, shouldn't I? Parado mini nail. It's a pretty opaque brown. Dice-shaped sponge. It is sold at Shein and Temu. I bought it at 7 is good. Practice with a silicone mat before using it on the nail. After tapping it several times, the color gradually disappears, so I'm adding more polish. If you press it hard, probably the polish underneath will smudge, so don't. I'm gonna peel the tape off. I wonder if the polish underneath will come off. Okay, I'm gonna do the same for the ring finger. I'm gonna use a narrower washi tape. If your washi tape isn't narrow enough, just cut it narrow. I'm putting it on really gently. It's okay to have a small gap under the tape. Now here's a question for you. Can you still use the same sponge? Yes, I can. I struggled a little on the side, but I managed to do it. I'll peel it off slowly. The pink part came off a bit. But it should be okay. I can fix it. I'll leave the ring finger a bit. I'm painting a top coat on the middle finger. Putting 3 pearls before it dries. I'm using a DIY picker. I also put a top coat on my pinky and index fingers. Now I'm putting washi tape vertically and gently. I changed the sponge finally. This side of the thumb is very easy to tap. If you don't like nail polish on your fingers, paint peel-off polish on the skin. I'm going to be tapping on the left side. As I peel it off, I see the fiber polish come off a bit. Let's peel from the other end. Stay there! Oh, good. I'm gonna tap on the ring finger. I've been using the same washi tape. Tap and peel. Ouch! This is no good. No! I'll let it go. I can just paint the fiber polish again. It's not the end of the world. I'm gonna stamp now. Stamper and plastic card. Keep them near the plate. Polish from a 100 yen store. I plan how to paint polish on the stamping plate. I want to stamp as soon as possible after picking it up on the stamper. I try not to pick up unnecessary patterns. If you apply nail polish like this, I'm gonna have to clean the both sides. I'll avoid painting this side. Oh, that was close. I can just clean this part. Here you go. I'm stamping quickly. I'm gonna stamp again with the same pattern. Clean with one move. I'm stamping it quickly. Wow, so cute. I use this brown polish to tap on the thumb and the ring finger, trying to avoid invading the left side. Cleaning. Such a cute design. I will paint this star glue I bought at Temu. When applying a top coat, the stamped prints sometimes get smudged. Star glue works as smudge-free top coat. When star glue dries, I apply a top coat. Then finish with sèche vite. See? It doesn't smudge at all. Plump and cute. I'm gonna stamp on the ring finger. Same pattern as thumb. This pattern is cute, isn't it? I can't draw it by hand. I love nail stamping so much. I will stamp one more time. And of course, I stamp it in brown. I wonder if it's a little distorted. No, it's cute. I'm applying star glue. I'm applying a top coat. I'm gonna clean with nail polish remover. I'm cleaning the edges. Cleaning the skin with a Q-tip. I did my right hand nails the next day. I put washi tape on the thumb, tap tap. I painted the fiber nail polish. It's definitely easier with washi tape to paint the fiber polish. I used washi tape for the ring finger in the same way. And I'm finished! I'm excited with pink nails. It's been a long time since I last had pink nails last. It'd be cute with a matte finish. The thumbnail sizes are completely different, but it's okay as they're so cute. By the way, I fixed a broken nail here. You can't tell it was broken. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!